What's up, guys? Survival Tactics, and today we're going to be talking about one of my most favorite knives of 2016, and that is the Kershaw Emerson Tactical Folding Knife. Stay tuned. Alright, to start off, the blade length of the knife is 3.25 inches long. The blade material is made out of 8CR14 MOV steel, stainless steel to be exact. The model number of this knife is 6034, which you can see right printed on the blade. The Emerson folding knife is perfect for an all-around dude, from law enforcement to military to just ordinary citizen who is looking to defend himself or loved ones. This knife is perfect for you. As you can see, the pocket clip is not in an ordinary spot for a folding knife. The reason is so that you can have the knife in a tip-up carry style position. The handle material is G10, very sturdy and durable. I've dropped this knife almost 20 times already, and I've only had it for over, maybe I would say, a week or so, maybe longer than that, and it still looks like I just got it out of the package. Great handle material for a folding knife. And as you can see, there's 3 holes right here towards the tip of the knife. That is if you wanted to switch the pocket clip from this side, from doing a tip up carry, or no, my bad, sorry, not a tip up carry. If you're righty, you could have it on this side. If you want to have a left-handed carry, you put it on this. You put the pocket clip on this side with the extra screws it comes with. And then above that, there is a nice lanyard hole if you choose to put a lanyard on the knife. Going along with the blade length, the blade itself is a hollow grind, as you can see right here. Very, very, very nice knife. The hollow grind is perfect, just the way I would like it or anybody else. The blade itself keeps a very sharp edge for a very long time. On this knife, there's no specific edge type. This edge is just an ordinary plain edge. For those of you who get confused on knives, if you think it's an assisted opening knife, this knife specifically is not. It is a manual opening knife. You have to use your thumb or use this guy at the top of the blade to open the knife. It does not have a speed safe function on the back of the knife. So there's no way that you can open this without using your hands. The weight of this knife is 5.1 ounces. You can use this as a right-handed knife or a left-handed knife if you're either one of those. To open the knife, you have to use this thumb disc at the top of the blade. Right here. Personally, I like this a lot. You can get your thumb really under there and open the knife with little to no ease at all. So anybody can open this knife. The thumb disc is perfect. There is another function on this knife to open this knife, which is this thumb ramp right here at the top of the blade above the thumb disc. And this is to have the knife in your pocket in the tip up position, and for when you pull it out of your pocket, when you pull the knife out of your pocket, it should open up. This catches on your jeans or whatever pants you're wearing, and it opens up the knife just like this. And I'll show you that soon. The model name of the knife is CQC 6K, and the handle length is 4.50 inches long. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me some comments down below. Like my video. Helps a lot. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.